Car wreck cases have two distinct parts, and after a wreck, most people call and they want to ask about the car. That's the first thing on your mind. Even if you have a really, really bad injury, a lot of people are thinking in the ER, what am I going to do about my car, right? And so the car claim is called a property damage claim, and your injury stuff is the bodily injury claim. Insurance companies treat those as two separate claims. So about 99% of the time, all of our clients are able to handle their property damage claim on their own without a lawyer being involved. So you may not know this, but you don't really need a lawyer most of the time, I'd say 99% of the time, to handle the property damage claim. The property damage claim is probably going to, unless there's some special factors, the property damage claim is probably going to get handled within the first 7 to 10 days after the wreck. You're going to handle it. There's not a lot of controversy. You're talking about values of vehicles, and everything is published, and this is data that nobody can really argue with. So those issues are usually hammered out within a week to 10 days after the wreck. So don't worry about it. That's going to get handled. The injury case could not be more different. It is not something you're going to know and handle in a week, and you shouldn't. And it is not something that you can look in a book and determine the value of. It is something that it's going to require weeks and months and sometimes years to figure out what the value of the case is, because it is directly dependent upon the severity of your injury and your treatment needs for the rest of your life. So a lot of clients call and they think it's one big claim. It's not one big claim. It's two separate claims. The property damage claim is always one that our clients handle on their own pretty much. So if you ever are in a situation after a wreck and you're worried about dealing with the insurance company and you're thinking, well, I don't really need a lawyer for the car part, or do I need a lawyer? You don't need a lawyer for the car part, and you can tell the insurance company that you're going to handle your own property damage claim and that you're not talking about your injury with anybody because you hadn't decided what you're going to do with it if you hadn't hired somebody. Or if you've decided you're going to hire us or somebody like us, you can say, well, I'm going to hire a lawyer and they're going to handle the injury part. They cannot conflate those things. They know they're different. They're completely separate. It is from the beginning to the end. So don't let them confuse you on that issue. If you have any questions about a car wreck injury or a car wreck in general and you have legal issues that arise, you can find us on the web at zarzaurlaw.com, or you can call us at 855-HIRE-JOE. Thank you.